Let's begin by gently warming up and loosening your joints. This 18-minute Tai Chi walking workout helps burn belly fat, preserve lean muscle, and help you feel younger. Gentle, no jumping, just simple movements. Just follow along and start moving now. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Open your arms as you sink into a comfortable stance, then lift your hands toward the sky in one smooth motion. This movement gently engages your core, supporting belly fat loss while improving whole body coordination. Next exercise. Three, two, one, begin. Sweep your arms upward in a wide, flowing arc until your palms meet overhead. Keep the movement light and connected, encouraging strong posture while helping activate the muscles that support a lean, youthful body. Exercise 3. Three, two, one, join me. Step into a low walking stance and press your hands forward with steady intention. This movement strengthens your legs and core, helping preserve lean muscle while improving stability with every step. Exercise 4. Three, two, one, let's begin. Lift your knee with an easy, natural rhythm as you transition into the next step. Stay light on your standing leg and enjoy a smooth walking flow that builds balance and confident movement. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Lift your knee as your hands stay centered in a steady guard position. Keep the motion smooth and coordinated, helping every walking step feel lighter and more controlled. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Move with me. Sink into a comfortable squat as your arms sweep forward and rise overhead. Keep the movement fluid and feel your hips and shoulders working together with smooth, natural coordination. Exercise 7. Three, two, one. Begin. Open your arms wide, then lift one knee as one hand rises overhead. Stay centered through your standing leg and enjoy a graceful balance that improves body awareness and coordination. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Join me. Turn through your waist as you settle into a comfortable stance, then rotate back with steady control. This gentle twisting motion keeps your spine mobile and your walking movements smooth and relaxed. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Step forward with a soft, flowing stride as your arms rise overhead in one continuous motion. This full body reach encourages upright posture and helps you move with a lighter, more youthful feeling. Exercise 10. Three, two, one, follow along. Reach forward in a long, flowing motion as you shift your weight with ease. Feel a gentle stretch through your shoulders and upper back while keeping the movement smooth and unhurried. Next exercise. Three, two, one, move with me. Step forward with an easy, natural stride as one arm circles overhead and the other guides the movement. Keep the motion fluid and let your whole body move as one relaxed unit. Exercise 12. Three, two, one, begin. Lift your knee with calm precision as your hands guide the movement across your body. Stay tall through the transition and enjoy a steady rhythm that builds balance and confident walking. Exercise 13. Three, two, one, join me. Sweep one arm across your body, then let it float outward in a smooth circle as you shift your weight. Relax your shoulders and enjoy the easy, flowing rhythm of the movement. Exercise 14. Full body relaxation. Let your arms rest comfortably by your sides and release any remaining tension. Breathe slowly, soften your entire body, and finish your practice feeling lighter, refreshed, and ready for the day. You've just given your body 18 minutes of gentle Tai Chi walking, and that matters more than you think. Real progress comes from staying consistent, burning fat while preserving lean muscle, one day at a time. Keep moving with me, and you'll continue feeling stronger and younger. See you in the next session.